Good morning. We're not even awake yet, and the autopilot is acting up again. Is it gonna work? Otto go on another bender.
Looks like it. Well, I think it's just overheated.
Yeah?
Yep, I hope that's it.
What can we do to fix it? Just...
Well, I could pop the cover off and have a look inside. But it may be very difficult to put back together afterwards. Some of these, when you take the cover off,
Yeah.
the pieces go scattering, and then you need special tools to hold them to get it back together.
Oh.
And I'm not sure if this is one of those types. I'm gonna let it cool down a minute. It's too hot to touch.
Okay. Good morning. We're not even awake yet, and the autopilot is acting up again. So, what's happening here?
Well, the autopilot quit because the motor's overheated. I hope the motor's still fine. The armature windings here, this is supposed to be shiny copper with a red type of coating on it, either copper or red in color, but it looks like it's burned. It was too hot to touch when I pulled it out. I don't see any thermal protection, but we're hoping the motor still works, so I'm gonna clean it up, do a light sand on the brush contacts. The brushes are fine, plenty of material left, and then put it back together and hopefully it works. That's it.
Is it gonna work? Looks like it works. We're moving again. Yeah! Woo! So after another great surprise this morning and the autopilot breaking down again, we are once again on the move and on our way to the Maldives. And look at how nice and blue the water is. What a beautiful blue. And this time around, we actually have the right wind from the right direction, and we're going as faster than we were in the last few days. So hopefully we cover a whole lot more ground and arrive in the Maldives soon. Dolphins! Oh, wait. I know, I'll go in front of you. Jump up! Hello, friends! Hello, dolphin friends.
Looks like it.